Again. Hi, Matthew. Hi, Nathan.
Hi.
What are these?
Rocks.
What are you guys doing with these rocks today?
Cleaning it.
Where did you guys get it from?
Now camping.
Okay, so what do you need to clean the rocks? What do you have?
Soap.
Uh-huh.
Brush, water, and a towel.
And towel. Where did you get the toothbrush?
From the dentist when I was little.
When you were little? Okay, are you excited, guys, to clean the rocks?
Yep.
And, okay, let's go on the other side. It's kind of hot in there. Let's move it. Do you guys want to do it here? Okay, Mommy will help you just a second. So, we move here because it's kind of hot and they still want to clean up the rocks. So, what do you guys have in there?
Water.
Okay.
And the rocks. And the soap.
And the soap. So, how are you going to do it? Can you teach me?
Scrub it. We scrub it first.
Are you going to pour the water first?
No.
Yeah, you have to pour the water so you can clean it better. Can Mommy help you?
Yeah.
See? Ooh, just like in the river, there's water. And you have to hold the rocks.
Well, it's actually falling.
You guys are playing.
How? Water. It looks like I'm playing in mud, right?
Can Mommy try one? This is like the
Boomerang.
boomerang.
Yeah,
rocks,
but
right?
this actually has to be a...
You have to scrub it really good. See that? So you can
Yeah.
clean it better.
Yeah, there's so much soap coming out. We're water first.
Okay, you see how I do it?
Yeah.
It's a lot better now.
Yeah, but look.
Okay.
See?
Yes.
Oh my, there's gonna be no more water.
Yeah. Go clean it off faster.
Okay, let me hold it.
Yeah, you gotta hold it.
Well, it's water.
It's okay.
Yeah. And we're washing the hands.
Yes.
After I get in.
That's how you clean a rock.
Well, we actually have to put it in the sink, I guess. Like with only water and other soap. Because they can clean it super well.
Yeah. How are you, Matthew? Are you having fun?
Yeah.
Yeah. Is it clean? Clean it really good. And here's Oreo.
The kids buy him everywhere he goes.
Hi, Oreo. You have bubbles on your hands?
Yeah.
And here's Oreo. The
Well,
crazy little boy.
Yeah. Who doesn't even like...
Okay, that's okay. It's okay to be dirty.
Yeah.
We have plenty of water. We can clean up later.
Let me wait. 1, 2, 3. And then you will... Whoa! This lake is so much. Oh. I hope I can make slime.
Oh.
You know, it's not easy to make slime.
It's not easy?
Well, we know how to make slime.
You guys know?
Yeah, I know. Bring it.
Okay, go clean the rocks. What are we gonna do with on those rocks after?
I'm gonna go put water on it.
And then, when it's dry,
And when it's dry, then we can give it to everybody.
are you gonna paint it first or no?
We will.
You will. What color of the rocks you want?
I like it blue only.
Blue. What about you, Matthew? What color are you gonna put on your rocks?
I will put yours on blue.
Blue also? Keep brushing all of them, and all the rocks that you clean, put it in these clean towels.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then it would be dirty, I guess. Dirty. Whoa, this looks like slime when I mixed it.
Was it?
Yeah, you see?
Mmm.
I like my hands dirty. What?
Well, you guys have to hold the rocks so you can clean it better.
Let me water first. What this? I think we need to dip ours.
No, there's a lot of water in here.
Whoa. Soap. Soap.
Yes.
Let me make this on soap. You got me my stuff. Got me my soap, Mom. Slimy. We need to put water on it too. Because I see some soap.
You did?
Yeah. Let me put water on it. We need some more water on it. Why did you scrub it?
Yeah,
The people that will flood.
it's okay. Scrub, scrub, scrub. No, don't put that inside.
And then there will be,
There's water. We are going to rinse everything later, okay?
yeah, even the toothbrush. So next time we get
Everything that you guys done, maybe just put it on the top. So we know that you guys, oh, look at this. Oh, wow. Oh, maybe we can make a bubbles out of those waters, but those are dirty though.
Yeah, we need clean water.
Yes.
And only the shells we always need clean.
Did you had fun when we went to camping?
Yeah.
Did you love all the rocks that you got?
Yeah, but I lost a rock.
You lost some?
Yeah. It's up in my hand. Sad. And,
What are you doing, Matthew?
and I was doing my God.
Aren't you supposed to scrub the rocks?
I scrubbed the red rock.
Who got that?
My daddy.
Your dad? Daddy did.
Look, I put it in the water. Let me do put my hand in the water.
Uh-huh.
They're dirty.
Yeah?
Dewy.
Dewy. Oh, look at that. It makes a sound.
You see bubble, Mommy?
Yeah.
I told you. My hand will be gooey.
Well, Nathan is so
Yes.
serious about cleaning his route. This little boy is just
Like,
playing.
clean slime.
Yeah, is it slimy? No? I can add more water so
Yeah.
you guys have more water.
I want you to get
That's
lots
good.
of water.
That's good. Keep cleaning it.
Oh, my mom wants that. Slimy. Let me wash it. Don't it dirty. Yeah. Okay. Let me put the rock in there first. I need to wash it. And then put the water. And the bubble comes. Just a lot. Extra bubble. No, I didn't wash it. Yeah. And then, yeah.
Good job.
It looks shiny.
Is it? Oh my god, let me see that rocks. Whoa, look at
I
that.
can see it's shiny.
It's shiny?
Yeah, but it's like they're all black.
Yeah.
Let me wash it some more. Okay, let me leave it with water. A bit black. Mommy, you know what?
Matthew, don't do that.
You should have put that table in there. Or make it slime.
Mm-hmm.
Need water in there. Slimy. Make it
What are you doing?
make it slime. Matthew likes making slime. I'm concentrating on my I need water in the slime.
Uh-huh. Look at your nose. Your nose is naughty. You have some slime on your nose.
Slime on my nose.
Yes.
Look at Oil. He's buying the bag.
Oh my god, look at those rocks.
Yeah. Got soap.
Is this one done?
No.
But look, it's so pretty.
Yeah. You know who got that?
Who did?
Probably you.
No.
Oh, it's Tiger Rock. That's my favorite one. Let's scrub in it. Yeah. It is really good. We have to scrub it super fast. I just ooh, so.
That is so cool. Let me see how you do it.